Good morning students, welcome to my SST class. So today we do students chapter 20 India. They enrich our thoughts from grade 4, right? So we are doing worksheets from related to this chapter. First is there is a match the following. So there is a religion with their holy books, we have to match it. First is the Bible, that is the Christianity. Jain Avestha, Zoroastrianism, Parsis, here it is, ठीक है. एंड अहिंसा किसने दिया था? जैनिज्म. टीचिंग में है भगवद गीता, बुक ऑफ हिंदुइज्म, कुरान, बुक ऑफ इस्लाम, ट्रुथ एंड नॉन वायलेंस गिवन बाय लॉर्ड बुद्धा, Buddhism religion, and the Ard Granth, that is the Sikhism. Fine. So next in the fill in the blanks to complete the sentences. Raja Ram Mohan Roy fought against the evil social practice of dash, so that is sati. So Raja Ram Mohan Roy जो थे उन्होंने सती सिस्टम के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब उन्होंने लड़ाई लड़ी थी. ब्रिटिशर्स को रिक्वेस्ट की थी कि आप ऐसा लॉ बनाएं जिसमें जो है ही फोर्स ब्रिटिश टू पास अ लॉ अगेंस्ट सती. फाइन. कबीर बिलीव दैट एवरीवन वाज इक्वल. सो कबीर जो थे ही वाज अ स्टैंड पॉइंट एंड ही फॉट अगेंस्ट कास्ट सिस्टम एंड ब्लाइंड फेथ एंड ही सेड दैट वी ऑल आर इक्वल. ठीक है. एंड वी हैव टू we have to continue with their love and brotherhood to all, and these information given by their thoughts given by their dohas and bhajans. Next is Krishna Deva Rai was the king of dash empire. So Krishna Deva Rai जो थे वो विजयनगरा empire के राजा थे. ठीक है. that is in South India. He built tanks, water tanks, dams, canals for irrigation, and he also wrote poems in Telugu. He built temples at Hampi. He also encouraged trade with Portuguese for prosperity, and he also encouraged people to art and craft. Fine. Next is the traditional Indian system of medicine is called dash. So that is the Ayurveda. ठीक है. आयुर्वेदा जो है वो ट्रेडिशनल मेडिसिन सिस्टम जो था हमारे इंडिया ट्रेडिशनल इंडियन सिस्टम में चली आ रही है मेडिसिन. AYURVEDA. नेक्स्ट इज फर्स्ट आर्टिफिशियल सैटेलाइट मेड बाय इंडिया वाज कॉल्ड आर्यभट्ट. सो फर्स्ट जो है हमारा इंडिया का जो सैटेलाइट लॉन्च हुआ था उसको हमने नेम आर्यभट्ट रखा था. ठीक है. बिकॉज आर्यभट्ट वॉज द एस्ट्रोनॉमर एंड मैथमेटिशियन. फाइन. So next is there is a worksheet number 2. See the pictures and name the persons. First picture is Ramabai Renande, RAMABAI RANADE. Ramabai Renande. ठीक है. She was a social reformer. Fine. Next is picture of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan fought for the education for Muslims, and he also improved lives of Muslim women. He founded the College of Aligarh. Nowadays it is very famous for Aligarh Muslim University. मेन फोकस उनका लड़कियों की एक वुमेन की पढ़ाई के ऊपर था. ठीक है. तो स्पेलिंग ऑफ सर सैयद अहमद खान SIRSYEDAHMED अहमद खान KHAN खान. नेक्स्ट इज देयर इज अ पिक्चर ऑफ एम्परर अशोका. सो अशोका जो थे he fought and won many battles, but when he won the battle of Kalinga, this battle changed his mind and heart, and he decided that he will not fought again. वो दोबारा लड़ाई नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि उनकी बैटल ऑफ कलिंगा में बहुत सारी जो हैं लोग बेवजह उनकी डेथ हो गई थी. ठीक है. एंड ही फॉलो द टीचिंग्स ऑफ लॉर्ड बुद्धा, एंड ही ऑल्सो spread message of Buddha in the form of carved on rocks and pillars. And he built wells, tanks, roads, shelters for traveler, and he also planted trees along roads. Next picture is Homi J. Bhabha. Homi J. Bhabha was the father of Indian Atomic Energy Program. The next picture everyone knows, that is Lord Buddha, picture of Lord Buddha. ठीक है. The real name of Lord Buddha is Gautam Buddha, and he always focus on truth and non-violence. and Dhammapada is the holy book of Buddhism. Next picture is Krishna Dev Raya. Krishna Dev Raya, he was the king of Vijayanagar Empire in South India. He also built water tanks, dams, canals for irrigation. मैंने आपको पहले ही बता दिया. He wrote poems in Telugu. He also encouraged art and craft. Fine. Next is Swami Vivekanand. स्वामी विवेकानंद जो हैं वो क्या थे, आपके सोशल रिफॉर्मर थे वो भी. ठीक है, उन्होंने भी कास्ट सिस्टम के ऊपर जो है काफ़ी मतलब उन्होंने बोला था कि कास्ट सिस्टम भी नहीं होना चाहिए, बिकॉज वी आर द पीपल, वी आर द child of one god. Next is Kabir. This is a picture of Kabir. He was also a standpoint, I told you, and he fought against caste system and blind faith. Blind faith means कि आप किसी के ऊपर आंख बंद करके विश्वास नहीं करो. ठीक है, and he said that we all are equal, right? He spread the message of love and brotherhood through his dohas and bhajans. So students, now your chapter number 20, worksheet number 1 and 2 has been completed. Fine, and I hope you all are practicing your syllabus chapter 16 to 20. ठीक है, in your SST notebook or rough notebook side by side, right? So thank you, have a nice day.